AWS and Google Cloud have launched a joint service that lets companies quickly set up fast private connections between their two cloud platforms. This partnership, which honestly is a little bit unusual for fierce competitors like AWS and Google, replaces today's complex manual multi-cloud networking with a simple click to provision link built from AWS Interconnect and Google's cross-cloud Interconnect. The companies also released an open standard which they want to use to encourage wider adoptions, with early users like Salesforce praising simplicity and reliability. The move reflects growing customer demand for smoother, more secure multi-cloud setups as businesses rely on more multi-cloud providers. Al, was this something that customers really were asking for, or is this an olive branch to the rest of the industry saying, see, we can play nice?
This is absolutely something customers were asking for, and they've been asking for it so much that recently in the UK Competition and Markets Authority, both AWS and Google said it wasn't needed and that multi-cloud interoperability is not a barrier for customers. The fact that that customers cannot just simply join together the networks that they've crafted inside AWS to the networks they've crafted inside Google apparently isn't an impediment. Uh, the reality is customers want to care as little as possible about the mechanics of connecting together their hybrid multi-cloud environments. They want efficiency in that data transfer. If they've got part of an application on AWS and part of it on Google Cloud, they want to be able to get connectivity between them to be fast and efficient and as low a cost as possible. I really like that this is being described as being entirely software. Historically, whenever we wanted to connect a cloud provider's network to our own, somebody had to patch some fiber cables and we had to send somebody to a data center for it. That severely restricts our agility for making those changes, and particularly means we're not going to make them in response to something like a change in availability of services. There's a line being drawn out to AWS's outage that if there was the outage last month, if there was easier connectivity to other clouds, we could have potentially transitioned our workloads between them. I'm not sure that that's the actual reality for most customers. It is often that they have applications that live in one cloud that they need to talk to applications running in another cloud. This is definitely a good thing for customers to be able to easily interconnect between their multiple cloud providers. And if the standard is properly open and not heavily biased, we may well see uptake with other cloud providers. Of course, Microsoft Azure is the big name that's not on this announcement that would probably have been good to have on the announcement. Maybe that'll be coming shortly as well. Maybe we'll get that announcement at reInvent. Who knows? Certainly, Salesforce, a big customer, is very happy with this connectivity improvement for them. It makes it much easier to connect together parts of their applications and partner applications particularly.